So this is the jewelry box. Hi guys, I'm going to make headbands, bracelets. Whoops. Ooh, look, it's a lot. It's 2 layers to make headbands and 2 things to make necklace and beads. So we have to be very careful. So here, we have to put this one a little forward. Ooh, that's loud. Ooh, that's loud too. So I think I needed one of these. So these strings need for the size of your necklace. So I'm gonna do a hairband. So I'm gonna open this one first. There's 2 each. Make a hairband because hairbands are very cool. And I'm gonna not make a necklace right now. So I would like to make something different. I'm gonna get something like this. So it's is there a B? No, I don't know if there's a B instead. So wait, there's a B. Okay. I'm gonna use a purple B. Okay. B. Wait, we have to put the biggest one first before we put the smallest. So I'm gonna get this purple stripe. I want to put it in the middle so it could be big. I'll put the heart because alam na yun, Mom. Ooh, look, it's an Hello Kitty. I would like to use this. I bet my mommy will be very shocked with this. I like these food, I really. No, Guagua, these are just activities. You can just check how many you can find. It's all rainbow. Guagua loves rainbow. This is the one I made. Rainbow. Mommy, look, rainbow hearts, rainbow butterflies, and rainbow gems. This is gonna be the best one by my mom. This to you, here you go. For this, I'm gonna give this one to your birthday, okay? So we're already done with making necklace, so we're gonna make bracelet next. So guys, we're already done making necklaces. So and I make also a hairband. So if you have more videos to come, just comment down below and please like and subscribe and please press the notification bell if you have more videos to come. For our next video, we're gonna make bracelets and my Nina will make a hairband. So we're gonna make jewelry, more jewelry for you guys. So if you want to see more jewelry vlogs of me, Sophia, in Marlo's house, just tell me, okay? Guagua said she wants to eat all of these accessories. Guagua, that I tell you already that these are jewelry. These you cannot be eaten. These are not healthy for monkeys. Only bananas. You can eat these. So Guagua also wants to do you something. Guagua, that's look like she's sad because she have different feelings if she's going to be sad, mad, or happy. So if you have more videos to come, just comment down below. Bye! This is the one I made for my mommy. Don't tell it to her because this is my gift for her so she can be happy on her birthday.